As the proud senator from the doughy state of Maine, I cherish the safety and peace of mind of my constituents. I'm deeply troubled and concerned that many Mainerians are justifiably troubled and concerned about which dangerous chemicals are being shipped on our Civil War era railroads. That's why the state of Maine made it impossible for you to find out. So sit back and let me worry about it while you partake in your whittling, inhaling toxic fart bubbles of cancer-causing chemicals that'll turn you into giant, ulcerous, cauliflower-shaped zombies. That's the Maine way.